Вселенная. Мы ищем те вопросы научные, которые близки к философским и к художественным. Именно эти вопросы делают очень логичный этот мостик между искусством и наукой. Британский совет – это огромная честь для нас, что они нас поддержали и, в общем, что мы сегодня открываем вместе выставку. В этом проекте мы сотрудничаем с потрясающими людьми, как профессионалами, так и по-человечески, очень открытые, очень позитивные. Это команда FutureEverything.
I got involved in the project through FutureEverything, which is a UK-based organisation, who I've known for a few years. They introduced me to this project with the laboratoria. I was really excited to be, I really wanted to be part of the project, and with the support of the British Council, this dream became a reality.
Мы работали над этим произведением много лет, проводили разные физические, химические, оптические эксперименты. Цель этих опытов была одна – сделать что-то волшебное. Все новое, которое рождается в искусстве, оно происходит именно из технологий.
Но это выставка, посвященная квантовой запутанности. Я напрямую использую квантовую запутанность для создания такого алгоритмического произведения, которое само автоматически сочиняет музыку в реальном времени.
Тема очень сложная и в то же время очень романтичная одновременно.
Казалось бы, нет, потому что, чтобы проверить, есть ли бомба, мы должны ее увидеть. We can no longer just rely on our own senses to understand the world.
Квантовая запутанность – это такой феномен, когда две частички в особых условиях запутываются. И потом, разнесенные на сколь угодно дальние расстояния, соотносятся друг с другом.
Today and tomorrow we're here, we're doing a hackathon around urban routines, and what we plan to do is look into those and try and, in a sense, hack those ideas and hack them into prototypes that we could use within the city and within the festival.
You're in your notes, let's share them onto the wall. Yeah, I'm just putting the titles that I remember.
And again, it does fit very much with just even the name of FutureEverything, because these are the things that define the norms and the practices of the next 5 to 10 years. So it's great that we can kind of start modelling and exploring and looking at these differences and using it as cultural capital to tie Russia and the UK more closely together.
We create these networks for people to both share and collaborate on ideas. So the international dimension to those networks is vital for the vitality of the things that we do together. So I think it's great, and it's really important that we continue to support this, and grateful for the support of the British Council and others, I think.
Worked out in real time, and this is a place where we can experiment and try and push things forward.
So FutureEverything is an innovation lab for digital culture. It's 19 years old, its 20th anniversary next year in 2015, and it works at the intersections of art, science, technology and society.
FutureEverything Festival, I played for them in Manchester in the Royal Northern College of Music, big stage show, huge projection mesh things, really amazing with Lorenzo Seni, CCF, which is a slightly different show, and then we're going to bring the same Russian choir over to Manchester early next year and do this whole show. It's like an exchange to bring them over.
FutureEverything is an innovation lab for digital culture. We run numerous hackathons with different industries and different spaces and different creative technologies. But what's most interesting about those hackathons is bringing people together from different disciplines, from different pursuits and different specialisms.
Сделать Discover, сейчас мы сформулировали более-менее о чем, и теперь мы опять расширяемся, наполняем эту теорию более осознанными моделями.
Andre studied at the RCA in London and has brought back some really kind of leading and cutting-edge design methodologies, bringing together different communities, and we're really excited to have 40 incredibly knowledgeable, experienced and professional specialists working together today on communication problems.
The topic is very, very interesting, especially with this number of people that are very closely connected with the different parts in Moscow and Russia in general with this big topic. And I think that they're making a wonderful thing. And this Future Everything thing was another festival that covers not only one field, it covers like several. And I was like in the music events, and I was here, and I know a lot of people who come from the exhibition, and everybody say a good word about that.
Future Everything Festival, the idea of being shocked by the new, having a thirst for constant change, is something that we share as a music label with Future Everything Festival.
Мы очень рады, что к нам в эту ночь присоединился фестиваль Future Everything. Мне кажется, это совершенно замечательная коллаборация. И я очень рада в рамках фестиваля Plums Fest приветствовать совершенно прекраснейший музыкальный лайнап фестиваля Future Everything.
I'm out here in Moscow right now, performing in this amazing museum. They've got Function 1 in the museum, I think that's amazing. And we're playing for Future Everything with the British Council. So yeah, it's all good to go.
But I have an interest. Some of my music kind of contains ideas that were, I guess, were influenced by things outside of music. I've written some stuff which is kind of loosely based on the idea of like memory and how your brain deals with this, and what it is to have one, and what types of memory you have. Expect you to explore one aspect of what you do.
You don't really hear back in Europe and back in England, you don't really hear that much about what's happening in Russia musically. But when you ask people who played here, they say the audiences are brilliant. The enthusiasm for difficult, interesting music is really strong.
And we're excited to be here working on a huge range of projects, be it from open data portals to art and science projects to civic technologies. We're really an excited organisation that looks to pursue societal change through contemporary technology.